So for today's video, super duper highly requested, Lipswatch ng Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Brooklyn Blush Collection. So wala na masyadong chika, alam nyo naman na isa to sa mga pinakamatitinding liquid lipstick in the market. One of the most affordable and super duper dami ng choices. So yeah, let's start. Unahin natin sa parang pinaka naiiba out of the bunch. This is Enthusiast. So this is Enthusiast on my arm swatch. And this is Enthusiast on my lips. And isa to sa mga shades na medyo mahirap siyang i-describe in person because alanganing pink, alanganing peachy is, yeah. Doon siya sa gitna. Peachy pink with a little bit of brown. Pero ang hirap i-describe. Ngayon, ang tanong, babagay nga ba siya sa mga morena? To some extent, yes. Feeling ko yung mga deep morena, this is going to stand out but in a good way. Pero yung mga mid morenas, medyo baka magmukha siyang gray-ish or ashy-ish. Oo. Well, that's just my opinion. To try is to believe, you guys. I'm just using my imagination and my morena friends as reference. Pero marami naman siyang skin tone na babagayan. I mean, maraming level ng skin tone na babagayan. But yeah, this is Enthusiast. Recap, Enthusiast, and then Enchanter. So between the two, mas mapinky si Enchanter. And this is Enchanter on my lips. And it's a very beautiful pink. And this one, I can say na babagay sa lahat ng skin tone. Maganda klase siya ng pink. Kaya lang, it's not something that I've never seen before. You know what I mean? Parang feeling ko nga meron siyang kamukha dun sa mga past collections na. Pero, oh my God. Buti tayo siya pag hinanap ko pa anong kamukha niya. Pero, it's beautiful. Yeah, it's really cute. But nothing too special. Ano yan? Walang parang wow effect for me. But yeah, this is Enchanter. Next shade is Validator. So ayan ang difference ng tatlo so far. This one is Validator. And this one is Validator on my lips. And you guys. So dito sa dalawa, etong si Enchanter is muted. And then etong si Validator is parang mas bold, mas edgier in a way na pink compared kay Enchanter. And actually kahit compared kay Enthusiast. So alam mo yan, depende sa personality mo. If you wanted to be on a little bit edgy kind of pink, go for Validator. Pero kung muted pink ang gusto mo, dun tayo kay Enchanter. Pero ito bagay din sa lahat ng skin tones, definitely. So yeah, this is Validator. Last two shades, we have, I believe, reds. So unahin natin is Overseer, which means supervisor or something. Supervising. Actually, isa yun sa magandang ginawa ng Maybelline to use like positive words, positive adjectives or nouns. So over here is Overseer. And this is Overseer on my lips. And parang nakita ko na siya before. Maganda siya. Okay, maganda siya. GGS ako sa kanya. Pero it's not something I've never seen before. Tsaka peg niya si Enthusiast. The only difference is si Enthusiast more on the peachy side. And then etong si Overseer is dinagdagan ng red. Alam mo yun, mas ma-red-ish. It's like burnt orange pero may hint of pink. Alam mo yun, may hinaluan ng konting pink. Pero babagay ba siya sa lahat ng skin tone? Pwede naman. Oo, pwede naman. Yeah. So yeah, this is Overseer. Ito yung kanyang difference. Next shade, we have Peacekeeper. Ito si Peacekeeper. Ayan ang difference niya. Maroon red. Yeah. Pero again, ba't ganun, no? Nothing special again. Maroon red siya, with a little bit of hint of pink. Just very slight. Alam mo yung kailangan mo siyang titigan ng maigi para masabi mo yun. Pero sa biglang tingin, it's just maroon red. Again, nothing too special. Kasi yung essence kasi ng collection na to, Brooklyn is like Brooklyn, New York. And alam mo yun, New York, pag sinabi mo kasing New York, parang mala bricks and everything. Pero parang nakakatanda itong shade na to. Parang feeling ko ang mature ko. But yeah, i-aura ko muna to. This is Peacekeeper. Ito na yung 5 new shades ng Superstay Matte Ink. These are the Brooklyn Blush. And honestly, ang masasabi kong marirecommend kong shade is probably yung first 3. Depende sa preference mo. Pero I would probably go for the first 3. Kasi etong dalawang to, I don't know, for me in my collection, parang ang dami-dami ko ng burnt orange, burnt red. Basta yung family ng burnt. Pero sa first 3 shades, sige, pwede pa. Lalo na itong dalawang to, actually. Yung Enchanter and Validator. So yeah, meron na naman ako na cross out doon sa mga utang ko sa inyo na Lipswatch. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and I hope I was able to give you an idea. I was able to help you which shade to buy soon. Quick question, gusto niyo pa ba ng Ultimates? Parang ang dami-dami na kasing gumawa ng Lipswatch noon. So, wag na, no? Let me know at the comment section below. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!